Hi everybody, welcome to my video review of Liquin Original by Winsor & Newton. I really love this stuff. Liquin is a fast drying oil painting medium that helps improve the flow and consistency of oil paints. It is used to create a variety of effects including glazing, blending, and impasto. I've been using Liquin for about 6 months now, and I found it to be very versatile and useful medium for me while I'm oil painting. It's great for speeding up drying time for oil paints, which can be helpful if you're short on time or you want to work on a painting over a shorter period of time. Liquin also helps to improve the flow of oil paints, which can make it easier to achieve smooth, blended transitions. One of the things that I like best about Liquin is that it doesn't yellow over time. Overall, I think Liquin is a great choice for oil painters of all levels. It's versatile, easy to use, and can improve your paintings. Now I'm going to show you some of the ways that I use it, so let's go ahead and do that. So with Liquin Original, one of the things that you have to be careful of is how to get it out. I use a long painting knife. Something like this is perfect. So what you want to do, you get this long painting knife, and you don't want to take too much out. So maybe something like this would be fine. And you'll just kind of pour that out and kind of put that in a little area like that. And that would be very sufficient. So this stuff dries really fast, so you definitely want to cover it up and put the cap on quickly. Let's say you have some color like this and maybe the flow is not what you want it to be. It's a little stiff. What you could do is you take a little bit of this medium here and you mix it and it becomes much more workable, right? And that's really important. And also, if you want to make it a little more transparent, liquid is also good for that. So here we have some white, and you see it's a little on the stiff side. So if I add some of this Liquin Original to this paint, you see how it becomes much more workable and extends it. And even increases the transparency a little bit, as you can see. So Liquin Original is really fantastic. One of the other things is, maybe it's the next day and your paint is a little bit on the dry side. You could add Liquin Original to that. That would give you an extra day for your paint, thus saving you money. So Liquin Original, it's really great. I use it all the time. It extends the color and also quickens your drying time. So 5 out of 5 stars with this one. Winsor & Newton Liquin Original.